What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we're going to go over something that we already unboxed, the YERYORK pressure washer. Now, I haven't used this yet, so this will be the first test, all right? Because now we having decent weather, not perfect weather, but decent. And I have to say, I love this little pressure washer, you guys. This thing is so compact, small, easy to lift, and it has wheels. You can actually lock the wheels. Very easy. We're gonna put the quick connect on. Now these quick connects are Eden quick connects. I'll put a link in the description. This one has a valve right here. So off and on, I'm gonna leave it off for now. Okay, so everything should be good. Everything's hooked up. And we have this already hooked up. All we need to do is water and power. So let's turn our water on. All right, you guys, we got water. All right, no leaks, no internal leaks. Oh, that worked. It's very quiet. Let's do 40 degrees. We'll do 40 degrees. All right. Look at that. I mean, that's clean. I love this thing, you guys. Go get one of these. Get one of these. This is amazing. Nice, small, and compact. I mean, y'all tell me, do y'all need to hire somebody? Do y'all really need to hire somebody? No. Look at this. The pink was originally, I believe that may have been painted. I don't know if they painted it, but I don't know. But the pink is actually coming off. So it is what it is. Maybe I might paint it white one day, because I think white is just a neutral color. I'm so glad I have this pressure washer. Nice and easy to carry. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.